Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to migrate notes from Evernote to the Obsidian. So guys, for this, first of all, you exporting notes from the Evernotes. For exporting, open your Evernote's desktop application, then select the notes for individual notes you wish to export. Then guys, go to the file and export from the top menu. After that, choose export as enx files and ensure your include tags and include attributes are checked. Then select the destination folder and click the save to start the export. After that, converting your Obsidian markdown. Next, we will use the dedicated converter to transform your enx files into a format Obsidian understand. Download and install the popular Evernote to Obsidian convert tools. Then launch the converter application on your computer. Then select your exported enx files as an input source and choose a new empty folder as the output directory for markdown files. Then configure the options like tag preservations and attachment handling. Click the option of convert and process to begin the transformation and wait for the convert to finish the processing all your notes. Then guys, import notes in the Audition. And now that your notes are in markdown, and let's bring them into your Obsidian wallet. Then open your Obsidian and choose open another wallet from the welcome screen and select the home folder as the wallet if you want a new wallet from these notes. Then browse to the output folder and containing your converted markdown files. Alternatively, open your existing wallet and drag and drop the converted markdown files and attachment folder directly into your wallet folder. After that, allow the Obsidian to re-index your wallet for all the notes to appear. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.